In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume in Canva. We're going to walk through the process from the very beginning. So even if you've never used Canva before, you'll be able to follow along and create a clean, professional resume by the end. First, open your web browser and go to Canva's website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you can sign up for a free account using your email. The free version is more than enough for creating a great resume, so don't worry about paying for anything. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type in resume. Hit enter, and you'll see a large collection of resume templates appear. These templates are a great starting point because they're already designed with good layout and spacing in mind. Take your time browsing through them. Look for something that matches the style you want. Simple and minimalist if you're applying for corporate roles. Something more creative if you're in design or marketing. When you find one you like, click on it, and then choose Customize this template to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a sample name, job title, and placeholder sections like summary, experience, education, and skills. Click on any text box to replace the sample text with your own information. Start with your name and job title at the top. Make sure your name is clear and easy to read. Below that, update your contact details with a professional email address and, if relevant, a link to your portfolio or profile. Next, move down to the summary or profile section. Keep this short. 2 to 3 sentences that highlight who you are and what you bring to the table. After that, fill in your work experience. List your most recent role first. Include your job title, company, dates, and a few concise bullet-style lines that describe what you did and what you achieved. Use action verbs and, where possible, include results or numbers to show impact. Then, update your education section with your school, degree, and graduation date. Add your skills on the side or in a dedicated section, focusing on abilities that match the type of job you're applying for. If you want to adjust the look of the resume, you can use Canva's tools on the left side of the screen to change colors, fonts, or spacing. Try to keep the design clean and readable. Avoid too many colors or overly decorative fonts. Simple and consistent usually works best for professional resumes. When you're happy with everything, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose PDF print as the file type for the best quality, then download it to your computer. Your resume is now ready to attach to job applications or upload to job sites. That's how you make a resume in Canva from start to finish.